Hello, this is Mark with Corelight. Let's take a look at how to enable anomaly detection on a Corelight sensor. Corelight sensors have long featured a tried-and-true signature-based detection engine which relies on known attack signatures to detect suspicious and malicious behaviors, as well as a built-in behavioral detection engine capable of more complex logic and tracking state for longer periods of time. We've now bolstered these detection methodologies by adding a third, anomaly detection. Anomaly detection uses unsupervised learning algorithms to learn what is normal for your network. Then it looks for changes in behavior that could indicate attacker behavior or compromised assets. By baselining normal behavior and pointing out changes, anomaly detection significantly increases the likelihood of detecting unknown or evasive attacks. To enable anomaly detection, log into your Corelight Sensor or Fleet Manager. Anomaly detection is located in Configuration Settings in the Enrichment section under Machine Learning. To enable anomaly detection, toggle the Enable Anomaly Detection toggle switch. Please note that anomaly detection is only supported on Corelight AP3000 and 5000 series hardware appliances. If you are attempting to configure anomaly detection on an unsupported sensor, or in a Fleet Manager policy applied to at least one unsupported sensor, you will see a warning similar to this one. By default, all use cases are enabled for anomaly detection. You may disable any use case if it does not suit you by toggling the switch next to the use case to the off position. To see a brief description of what the use case is attempting to detect, hover over the tooltip to the right of the use case name. Below, there is a section to allow you to ignore entity-item pairs. An entity is typically something like an IP address or subnet in CIDR form, and an item is a tracked attribute, like a service used or a user agent exhibited. Entities and items will vary depending on how the use case is modeled. See the documentation for more information. By adding entity-item pairs here, they will be ignored and you will not receive alerts for them. After you enable anomaly detection, click the Save button to save your configuration changes so they take effect. Once enabled, anomaly detection requires a 31-day training period to create the baseline model for each use case. During the training period, anomaly detection learns your organization's normal patterns, and after the training period, it generates detections when it sees behaviors that differ from the learned baseline. Also, once the initial learning period is completed, the models are updated with new information each day in order to keep up with growth and change in your network. This is what the anomaly detection page looks like after a sensor has completed its initial 31-day training period. It is updated with information to show whether a particular use case has seen enough training data to build a model, and to show the relative frequency of anomalies for each use case in the past 10 days. Thank you for watching.